How to close all open apps on iPhone. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. The home screen is the primary interface for accessing apps, widgets, and system controls. It features a customizable grid of app icons, widgets, and potentially folders for organizing apps. Over here, long press on the bottom of the screen and swipe up. You can now view all the open applications on your phone. Swipe to view and explore all the app previews. If you want to close any app from here, then swipe up on the app preview to close it as shown. You can also use multiple fingers to swipe up on multiple app previews simultaneously to close them faster. Following these steps, you can easily close all open apps on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.